Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about IPv4 TCP IP model, and I am Paspati Bania. I will be the mentor in this video. As we already know about the TCP IPv4 model, and there is a majority of the internet uses of a protocol suite called the Internet Protocol Suite, also known as TCP IP protocol suite. This suite is combination of protocols which encompassed a number of different protocols for different purpose and need. Because the two major protocols in these suites are TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, and IP, Internet Protocol. This is commonly termed as TCP IP protocol suite. This protocol suite has its own reference model which it follows over the internet in constant with OSI model. This model of protocol contains less layer. As you can see on this display, there is a two model. One on the left side there is a OSI reference model which contains 7 layers, and on the my right side there is TCP IP reference model which contains only 4 layers. As let's see the OSI model. If you have already watched my previous video, I have explained about the OSI reference model, and in this video we are going to discuss about the TCP IP reference model. In OSI model, there is a 7 layer which ranges from the topmost layer, also known as layer 7, or application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and that up top to down there is a one last layer which is also known as layer 1, which is also called as physical layer. This is the OSI reference model. And as we come to the TCP IP reference model, there is an application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and the link layer. In TCP IP reference model, application layer do the functions of application layer itself, presentation layer, and the session layer. If you compare to the OSI reference model and the TCP IP reference model, as you can see that TCP IP reference model do the TCP IP reference model of the layers. The topmost layer, application layer, do the functions of application layer itself, including presentation layer and the session layer. And we can see transport layer, and in OSI based model, network layer is in the name of, we counted the name of internet layer in the TCP IP request model. And there is a lowermost layer is called link layer. Link layer does the functions of that link layer and itself is physical layer. And you can see there is a figure comparative description of OSI and TCP IP reference model. This is the, on my left side there is a OSI reference model, on the my right side there is a TCP IP reference model. This model is indifferent to the actual hardware implementations. Is that the physical layer of OSI model? This is why this model can be implemented on almost all underlying technology. Transport and internet layer correspond onto the same pair layer, as the top 3 layers of OSI model are compressed together into a single application layer of TCP IP model. Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Internet Protocol is one of the major protocols in the TCP IP protocol suite. This protocol works at the network layer of the OSI model and at the internet layer of the TCP IP model. Thus, this protocol has the responsibility of identifying host based of their logical addresses and to route data among them over the underlying network. IP provides a mechanism to uniquely identify host by an IP address schemes. IP uses best effort delivery is that it does not guarantee that packet will to be delivered to the destination host, but it will do it the best to reach the destinations. Internet Protocol version 4 uses 32-bit logical address. Hope you guys understand the IPv4 TCP IP model. If you have any questions and queries, feel free to reach me on the social media, or if you are watching this from the YouTube channel, then feel free to comment in the comment sections on the YouTube channel, so we can communicate together and the questions or the query that you have arises can be resolved properly. Okay, so guys, this was today's video. See you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about the packet structure, IPv4 packet structure. So guys, enjoy. Have a good day.